Hello everyone, welcome back at Literature Hub. As we all know that our exams will be conducted online and students have to attempt multiple choice questions to clear the exam. So from today I am going to start new series in which I'll be discussing some important MCQs from particular topic, and that topic will be chosen from your syllabus, and I'll be talking about those particular topics one by one. I hope it will be helpful for you all. So today in this video I'll be discussing some important MCQs from the poem Because I Could Not Stop for Death by Emily Dickinson. So let's begin. So first question is that what is the death or he personified to? A. Her husband. B. Her life. C. A gentleman who drives a carriage. And D. God. So answer is C. A gentleman who drives a carriage. Here you all can drop your answer in the comments box before I answer while watching the video. Second one is, what does the word immortality mean? So right answer is live forever, because mortal, death and sleep, three are similar words. So right answer is D, live forever. Childhood is an example of what? So here if you have knowledge about types of rhyme, you will be able to answer the right one. A. Sight rhyme, B. Approximate right, C. Alteration and D. Assonance. So right answer is approximate right. B is the right answer. What does gazing grain indicate? Life, death, grain and sun. So right answer is life. A is the right answer. What does setting sun indicate? A. Death, B. Sun, C. Life and D. Sunset. So setting sun, or when sun is getting down, it means it symbolizes the end of the day. So setting sun means the also end of the life. So it indicates death. So right answer is A. In which year the poet Emily Dickinson had died? 1885, 1886, 1786, 1896. So right answer is 1886. B is the right answer. What does house show? A. Her grave, B. The carriage, C. Death and D. Life. So here house shows her grave. How long has it been since the speaker died? A. Days, B. Months, C. Years and D. Centuries. So right answer is D. Centuries. Where did Dickinson die? A. At her family home in Amherst, B. in hospital in Rochester, Minnesota, C. in hotel in Washington, D.C., D. at sea while traveling to visit her nephew in France. So here from poet's personal nature we can identify that which one is right answer. That Emily Dickinson was a introvert kind of person, and she was used to stay at the home all the time. So here A is the right answer, at her family home in Amherst. What do the words kindly and his civility convey? A. Death is gentle, kind, nice and polite. B. Respect for death. C. Her husband is gentle, kind, nice and polite. And D. Life. So right answer is A. Death is gentle, kind, nice and polite. What is the theme of this poem? A death, life, speaker's marriage, and love. So we can answer this one very easily, that in this entire poet is talking all the time about death. So right answer is A. How many stanzas does this poem have? A. 6 quatrains, B. 6 lines, C. 5 lines, and D. 5 quatrains. So right answer is 6 quatrains. A is the right answer. Quatrains means 4 lines. So each stanza has 4 lines. When was Because I Could Not Stop for Death published? A. 1889, B. 79, C. 1890, D. 1863. So poem was published in 1890. So C is the right answer. What literary device is used in stanza 4 of the poem? A. Alliteration, B. Metonymy, C. Hyperbole, and D. Personification. So right answer is D. Personification. What does the carriage symbolizes in the poem? A. Journey to eternity, B. Journey from life to hell, C. Journey from life to heaven. So right answer is journey from life to eternity. So I hope it will be helpful for you all guys, and it will be also helpful for the competitive exams like NET and SLATE.